So in this video we learn how to solve quadratic equations. So let's put that here. So what's a quadratic equation? Using the formula. Here we are just using one method, which is the formula method. So any quadratic equation is written as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now the main things are a, b with the sign, and c with the sign. Similarly, even if a has a sign. If it's just written as x squared, that means there's a 1 in front of it. Okay, so let's take an equation. I'll put the formula down. So the formula is this: negative of b plus minus the square of b minus 4ac. And you can plug this in a calculator. I'll show you how. And 2a. So this is your formula. This will help you solve all the questions. So let's try. So the general form of a quadratic is always ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you need to move stuff around, please do that. So let's try an equation. 4x squared plus 16x is equal to 48. So let's bring everything to one side. Now what is A? A is right here. B is over here. These are all positive, so I don't need to do much. But look at this. C has a negative. Now if I plug this all in the formula, I'll get negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. So negative of b, negative 16, plus minus 16 squared minus 4 times negative 48, because c is negative, and then divided by 2 times 4. Okay, then we'll plug in everything. Negative 16 plus 16 squared is 256. 16 times 48. Let me see what that is really quick. That's 256 times 3, I'm presuming. Okay, let's see. 16 times 48. 768. And it should be positive. And we're going to take the square root divided by 8. I'll continue my working on this side. I'll use a blue pen just because. Negative 16 plus minus. Now 768 plus 256. That's 1024. And we can take the square root of this. So the square root of 1024 is 32. So now you get negative 16 plus 32 and minus 32 divided by 8. Then we'll take each solution. Take the positive part, this, and then we'll also take the negative part. So negative 16 plus 32 is 16 divided by 8, and negative 16 minus 42 is negative 48 divided by 8. 2 and negative 6. These are our solutions. And this is how you would work your solution. Alright, there's another way you can check in Regents Prep with the Master's quadratic solutions video, and you'll be able to use the calculator to solve it. Good luck.